In the year 1620, a group of religious dissenters, known as the Pilgrims, embarked on a perilous journey from England to the New World. Their destination, Plymouth, Massachusetts. Led by their charismatic leader, John Carver, and guided by their unwavering faith, these pilgrims sought a land of religious freedom, away from the oppression they faced in their homeland. The Mayflower, a sturdy ship, was their home for over 2 months, as it navigated the treacherous Atlantic Ocean. The journey was fraught with hardship and disease, claiming the lives of many pilgrims. Upon their arrival, the Pilgrims were greeted by the cold, unfamiliar shores of Plymouth. The first winter was brutal, with harsh winds and snow, testing the resilience of the Pilgrims. In the spring, they sought the help of the Native Americans, specifically the Wampanoag tribe, who taught them how to plant crops in the unfamiliar soil. The Pilgrims were grateful for their guidance and formed a bond with the Wampanoag. In the autumn of 1621, the Pilgrims celebrated their first successful harvest. This feast, now known as the First Thanksgiving, was a testament to their survival and the power of unity. The arrival of the Pilgrims marked the beginning of a new chapter in American history. Their story serves as a reminder of the courage and resilience of those who seek a better life, and the importance of cooperation and understanding between different cultures. The Pilgrims' journey was not easy, but their determination and faith led them to create a new home in Plymouth. Their legacy continues to inspire generations, a testament to the human spirit's indomitability.